Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic, affordable, and surprisingly versatile beauty products, Vaseline. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, has been a household staple for generations. What makes it so magical is its ability to lock in moisture and protect the skin, but its uses go far beyond simple hydration. From repairing dry skin to enhancing your makeup game, Vaseline can do it all. In this video, we'll explore 12 incredible beauty hacks with Vaseline that will transform your skincare and self-care routine. Whether you're new to using Vaseline or looking for fresh ways to incorporate it into your daily life, this is the guide for you. So, grab your Vaseline jar and let's dive into this beauty treasure trove. 1. The ultimate skin hydrator for dry and cracked areas. If you're dealing with dry skin, cracked heels, or rough patches on your elbows and knees, Vaseline is here to save the day. It acts as an occlusive layer, sealing in moisture and creating a protective barrier against environmental damage. For hands and feet, apply a thick layer of Vaseline to your hands and feet before bed. Slip on some gloves or socks to let it deeply moisturize overnight. Wake up to soft, hydrated skin. For face, during cold winters or in dry climates, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your face at night. It's especially beneficial for those with sensitive or eczema-prone skin, as it soothes irritation and locks in hydration. For chapped elbows and knees, gently exfoliate the area with a scrub, then apply Vaseline to keep the skin smooth and supple. Second, say goodbye to chapped lips. Dry, flaky lips are no match for Vaseline. It works as a protective balm, locking in moisture and keeping your lips soft and hydrated all day long. DIY lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with a bit of brown sugar to create an exfoliating lip scrub. Massage it gently onto your lips, then wipe it off. Your lips will feel smooth and plump. Overnight lip mask. Apply a generous layer of Vaseline before bed to wake up with soft, kissable lips. Lipstick. Primer. Use a small amount of Vaseline as a base before applying matte lipstick. It smooths out cracks and prevents drying. 3. Strengthen and enhance your eyelashes and eyebrows. Want fuller-looking brows and healthier lashes? Vaseline can help condition and strengthen them over time. How to use: apply Vaseline to your eyebrows and lashes with a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab before going to bed. Over time, this simple habit can make your lashes look shinier and your brows appear more defined. Combine with oils. For an extra boost, mix Vaseline with castor oil or coconut oil to nourish and encourage growth. 4. Extend the life of your perfume. Did you know Vaseline can make your favorite fragrance last longer? It acts as a base that holds the scent on your skin for hours. How to apply: dab a small amount of Vaseline onto your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears, before spritzing on your perfume. The result? Long-lasting fragrance all day. 5. A secret weapon for makeup application and removal. From smoothing out your makeup base to fixing mistakes, Vaseline is a multitasking marvel in your beauty kit. Makeup. Primer substitute. Apply a tiny amount of Vaseline to your cheekbones for a natural, dewy glow. Eyeliner mistakes. Use a cotton swab dipped in Vaseline to clean up smudged eyeliner or mascara mistakes effortlessly. Waterproof makeup removal. Vaseline is gentle, yet effective for removing stubborn waterproof makeup, leaving your skin soft and moisturized. 6. Protect your skin. During hair dyeing. Ever ended up with hair dye stains on your forehead or neck? Vaseline is the solution. How to use: before applying hair dye, rub a small amount of Vaseline along your hairline, ears, and neck. It acts as a barrier, preventing stains from sticking to your skin. 7. Repair and nourish split ends. Struggling with dry or damaged hair? Vaseline can help you tame frizz and protect your ends. How to apply: warm a small amount of Vaseline in your palms and apply it to the ends of your hair. It seals split ends and gives your hair a healthy shine. Control flyaways. Smooth a tiny amount of Vaseline over the surface of your hair to tame frizz and flyaways. 8. Manicure must-have. Soften cuticles. For salon-quality nails at home, Vaseline is a must-have for softening your cuticles. Pre-manicure prep. Massage a small amount of Vaseline into your cuticles to soften them before pushing them back. Nail shine. Apply Vaseline to your nails for an instant, natural shine. 9. Soothing solution for irritated skin. Whether it's minor cuts, burns, or irritation from shaving, Vaseline is a gentle and effective healing agent. For cuts and scrapes, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to protect the area and speed up healing. After shaving, use Vaseline to soothe razor burn and keep your skin smooth. 10. Gentle foot care. Dry, cracked heels can be uncomfortable and unsightly. Vaseline offers an easy solution. Overnight treatment. Exfoliate your feet with a scrub, then apply a generous amount of Vaseline. Wear socks overnight for soft, baby-smooth feet. 11. Highlight your cheekbones. For a natural, radiant glow, Vaseline works as a subtle highlighter. How to use: dab a small amount onto your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your brow bones for a fresh, dewy look. 12. Protect against harsh weather. Cold winds and dry air can wreak havoc on your skin. Vaseline acts as a protective barrier to shield your skin from these elements. Before going out, apply Vaseline to exposed areas like your face, lips, and hands to lock in moisture and prevent dryness. Conclusion: Vaseline, your beauty hero. As you can see, Vaseline is far more than just a basic moisturizer. From enhancing your lashes to protecting your skin from harsh weather, it's a true beauty multitasker. The best part? It's affordable, widely available, and safe for all skin types. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more beauty hacks and secrets. Let me know in the comments how you use Vaseline in your routine. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. Until next time, stay beautiful and radiant. Love.